Hello traders! Today I'll show you how to take a template you've created in HelloWin and use it directly inside Infinity Algo Engine. This workflow helps you save setup time, maintain strategy consistency, and deploy your trading rules much faster. Step 1. Make sure that HelloWin backtest is installed and added to NinjaTrader 8, NT8. Then, add all the indicators required for your trading strategy, ensuring the template is built accurately and consistently with your trading logic. After adding all the required indicators, we move on to building the strategy directly inside HelloWin. In this example, I'm using EMA and RSI, so the entire strategy logic is constructed around these two indicators. Next, I'll configure key sections such as the hit bar and signal bar, and it's important to make sure that all conditions are set correctly so the strategy can function as intended. That said, every trader has a different trading style, so I don't recommend copying my setup exactly. Instead, use this example as a reference framework, and feel free to adjust and customize the strategy to better match your own trading approach. Next, it's a good practice to name each set in your strategy clearly for better organization and readability. Here, I rename set 1 to buy, then duplicate that set and name the second one sell. Once both buy and sell sets are created, you'll adjust the conditions for the sell set so they properly reflect your selling logic, based on the strategy you defined from the beginning. This clear separation helps the strategy run more smoothly and makes it much easier to review and fine-tune later. Once everything is set up, save the strategy and give it a clear name for easy identification. Next, go to the template manager and check whether the strategy has been saved successfully. If you see your template listed there, that means you've successfully completed the strategy building step in HelloWin. From this point on, you're ready to move forward with the next implementation steps. Step 2. After completing the strategy setup in HelloWin, you'll open a completely new and separate chart. On this chart, make sure to add all the same indicators used in Step 1, so the strategy logic remains accurate and consistent. Next, add Infinity Algo Engine to the chart, and its menu will appear automatically. Since the strategy has already been built in HelloWin, there's no need to recreate the conditions again at this stage. Now simply go to Template Manager and select Import 8W. There you'll find a folder named after the strategy you previously saved in HelloWin. Select that folder and click OK to import it. Once you return to the main menu of Infinity Algo Engine, load the imported template onto the chart. If you notice that the instrument doesn't match the current chart, just edit and update the instrument accordingly, and you're done. At this point, you've successfully transferred and applied your HelloWin strategy into Infinity Algo Engine, saving time while maintaining full strategy consistency. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Happy trading, and see you in the next video.